Yeah, a little plastic. What are you gonna call it?
Yeah, did I ever tell you a story about me winning this trolling motor? Orange County Water and Sewer had a drawing.
Oh yeah, we need the nets. There he comes. Yes, sir.
Come on, dude.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Oh, you're good net, man, friend.
Good deal.
I love this lake. I ever told you how much I love this lake?
It's your favorite lake?
I love this freaking
Did you
lake.
get that one?
Sure did.
Hot dog.
Come on here, buddy.
Chill, dude.
I love this lake. Oh yeah.
He hit hard, too.
He did. He's got a nice belly on him too.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you gotta start a YouTube channel.
I am, for real.
Do you have anything already started?
No, I don't even have a YouTube. I'm just gonna start posting reels.
Outdoors with JC.
Hey, there you go.
You gotta put deer hunting.
There he goes.
No cover.
Get the freaking choppo, Brian. Get the freaking choppo.
I just need